am Dr. Bindu Garg, working with Neelkant Group of Hospitals, and I am the head of the reproductive unit at Neelkant Hospital, Gurgaon. Over the past few weeks, social media and news channels have been filled with new terms like COVID-19, isolation, quarantine, and social distancing. As the global developments they increase, so does the growing concern on how the COVID-19 will impact people who are in the midst of fertility treatments and also who are planning for a family. A new concern thriving in community is that coronavirus will affect their fertility. The cause of infertility may be difficult to determine, but may include inadequate levels of sex hormone in both men and women, or the problems with ovulation in women. According to the male fertility experts, coronavirus possibly impact on male fertility, but no direct evidence was recorded by scientists till date. Many doctors from China advised and urged that coronavirus patients they must test their fertility as soon as possible because they feel that coronavirus may damage the function of testicles in men and may affect the production of sperms and the formation of the male sex hormones. Now, coronavirus infected patients, they come to us with various symptoms like pneumonia, dry cough, sneezing and fever. Depression and stress in the people due to coronavirus was observed by the doctors. So it is clear that human infertility may not be affected by the coronavirus by itself, but it will be reduced due to the depression and stress of the patient and due to the treatment of depression they are taking or isolation of the corona infected patients. If you are not infected, there is no medical reason to change your plans about trying to conceive. Nothing in what is currently known and understood about COVID-19 would justify egg freezing, which many women are in these times thinking of. If you ask me, is there a link between coronavirus and fertility issues? So far, no research has shown a relationship between coronavirus and fertility issues. If you have the infection, you should avoid conceiving until you are well. According to the WHO, pregnant women do not appear to be at greater risk of illness. Only 1% of the pregnant women experience severe illness that require the medical attention. Now, it is not known that whether coronavirus affects the oocytes or not, but still initiating the fertility therapy should be postponed if you have flu-like symptoms and for 2 weeks if you have been in contact with someone who has a coronavirus or who has been in contact with a person who has the disease. Common concern is what will happen to the baby if the mother is COVID-19 positive during pregnancy. As per the current evidence, yes, this is called as vertical transmission. Now, vertical transmission can occur to the baby, but we have seen most of the babies born from COVID-19 affected mothers, they are very mildly affected and they have recovered completely. But still, do not skip the vaccines or prenatal appointments during this pregnancy period. The hospitals are all the hospitals are taking utmost care and they are all following the guidelines to work in this period of COVID-19. The way things are evolving every day, it seems that we'll be dealing with COVID-19 for some time. So there seems no justification waiting, but still we have to stick to the essentials of wearing the masks, not traveling to the congested areas and taking proper hygiene measures. The research so far has not shown that COVID-19 period will change the course of fertility treatment in times to come.